Hi, I'm Allie, a senior artist for Sephora at Town Center Plaza, and today's look is all about the everyday eye, so stay tuned and we're going to show you how to take the steps to get this look. So my makeup has already been applied and we're going to jump into eyes. I'm taking a little bit of Too Faced Shadow Insurance and I'm taking a teardrop size amount of primer and I'm just patting and pressing it and swiping this all over my lid, making sure the whole eyelid is covered in primer, and that is just going to keep everything on throughout the day. The next step, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using the shade Tempura, which is a kind of soft off-white color, and I'm using the Sephora Collection Pro Shadow number 14 brush, and lightly tapping this into the shadow, and then I'm going to go onto my lid and tap and press this on from my lid clear up to my brow bone. What this is doing is it's just starting to lighten everything, it's bringing my lid forward, and it just helps to neutralize any veins or discoloration on the lids as well. Next, I'm moving into the shaping step of the everyday eye. So using my Sephora Collection number 19 Pro Tapered Crease Brush, I'm just very lightly tapping my brush into orange soda and burnt orange. And I'm just using a really little amount of this because I want to just create a soft shadow. I don't want to go too smoky or too bold. And I'm starting by placing my brush in the outer corner of my crease and I'm lightly dragging it inwards towards the inside of my eye. The reason I prefer not to go back and forth is I find sometimes with my own eye shape that can kind of close my eyes off, and I find that when I keep it more directional, my eyes look a little bit more awake and open. All right, moving into the defining step, I'm going to be using Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear Waterproof in the shade Cocoa, which is a really soft kind of warm bronze, and I'm not using a black or something really dark brown because I want it to look softer and more natural. And having my eye looking down, I'm just doing a soft wiggling motion in between my lashes to make my lashes look a little bit fuller, a little bit more intense. And then I'm going to go on top of my eyelid and in short back and forth motions, I'm just going to wiggle the liner across my lid. If liner intimidates you too, wiggling is a great trick. It helps you to kind of get softer lines and it allows you to blur and blend. I love to use my fingertips if the line is not looking totally smooth, so you have Mother Nature's brushes built right in. And then I did go in and I used a little bit of a brown shadow on top too. So continuing in our defining step, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Pro Shader number 18. And with a little bit of that burnt orange that I used earlier, I'm just tapping it into the brush. And I'm just kind of smoothing the liner out with this. And again, if liner intimidates you or you're new to trying on eye looks, this is a really great trick because you can just kind of soften the liner, make it look a little bit more smoothed out and a little bit more perfected. And it's a really great way to make your eyes still look soft. Last but not least, I'm going to be using Lancome's Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. And I love waterproof mascara personally. I recommend it if you have straighter lashes like I do. I've already curled my lashes, but I find using a waterproof holds my curl a little bit more effectively. And I'm just starting by wiggling the wand at the root of my lashes to create a little bit more fullness. And then I'm just slowly dragging it through my lashes to create volume. You could stop at one coat or you could keep it rolling and keep going until you are satisfied. I like a little bit fuller lash for my everyday look, but this part is totally up to you. All right, so after I've completed my top lashes, I like to add a little drama on the bottom. And again, this is totally up to you for your everyday eye look. My lashes are really light blonde on the bottom, and I like to have a little balance. So I like to add a little mascara down there just to anchor the look and create a little bit more balance between the top and the bottom. For this, I'm just taking the wand and just wiggling it back and forth to create a little volume and then just pulling it through my bottom lashes. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this tutorial on how to get the everyday eye. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you comment down below and tell us what you want to see or tell us what you learned from this awesome tutorial. And if you want to follow me on social media, my handle is @AllieGage, and we'll see you soon. Bye!